In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to integrate Jotform with HubSpot CRM. Whether you're looking to streamline your data collection process or automate your customer relationship management, this integration can really enhance your workflow. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through each step. First, head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. If you're new to Jotform, you'll want to create an account first, but for today, we're assuming you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your forms listed. Next, select the form you want to integrate with HubSpot. Click on that form to open it, and then click Edit Form. This will bring you to the form editor where you can make changes to your form if needed. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on the settings that will allow us to integrate with HubSpot. Now look at the top menu and click on Settings. This tab is where you can configure various options for your form, including integrations, which is exactly what we're looking for today. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a list of different settings options on the left-hand side. From here, click on Integrations. This is where Jotform allows you to connect with numerous third-party applications to expand your form's functionality. In the Integrations section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type HubSpot into the search bar. This will help you quickly find the HubSpot integration option without scrolling through the entire list. When HubSpot appears in the search results, click on it. You're now starting the process of linking Jotform to your HubSpot CRM. After clicking HubSpot, you'll be prompted to choose an action. This could be creating a contact, adding a company, or another action, depending on what you need for your workflow. Select your desired action and then click Next to proceed. The next step is crucial. You'll need to authenticate your HubSpot account to allow Jotform to access it. Click on Authenticate, and you'll be redirected to a HubSpot login page. Enter your HubSpot credentials, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to grant permissions for Jotform to access your HubSpot account. Make sure to review these permissions and then authorize the connection. And there you have it. Your Jotform is now linked to your HubSpot CRM, allowing data collected through your form to be automatically sent to HubSpot. This integration not only saves time, but also minimizes the chance of human error when transferring data manually. Remember, integrating these two powerful tools can greatly enhance your productivity by automating your data management processes. If you have any issues or need further customization, Jotform's Help Center and HubSpot support resources are great places to seek assistance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now, you can enjoy a smoother workflow with Jotform and HubSpot working hand in hand. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.